As explained in the previous video, a hardware or virtual machine running Cisco ISE software is an ISE node. The type of ISE node it is will be determined by the persona running on the node. An ISE node can either be an administration node, or a monitoring and troubleshooting node, or a policy service node, or a PS grid node, depending on the persona running on the node. In a standalone deployment, a single node can run all the personas. Even in some type of distributed deployment, a node may run both administration and monitoring personas. An administration node is a Cisco ISE node with the administration persona. This persona allows the node to perform all administrative operations of Cisco ISE. It handles all system configurations that are related to functionalities such as authentication, authorization, and accounting. In a distributed deployment, you can have a maximum of 2 nodes running the administration persona. A Cisco ISE node with a monitoring persona functions as a log collector and stores log messages from all the administration and policy service nodes in a network. This persona provides advanced monitoring and troubleshooting tools that can be used to effectively manage a network and resources. A policy service node is an ISE node with a policy service persona. It provides network access, posture, guest access, profiling services, etc. This persona evaluates the policies and makes all the decisions. For example, it performs policy enforcement. Multiple nodes can assume this persona, depending on the maximum number of PSN the deployment can support. Cisco PS Grid can be used to share context-sensitive information with Cisco ISE ecosystem partner products such as McAfee, Logarithm, Infoblox, Rapid7, Checkpoint, Firepower, StealthWatch, WSA, DNAC, and so on. The illustration on the screen is an high-level overview of the interaction between the components of an ISE deployment. The PAN performs all administrative functions relating to the deployment, and it pushes configured policies to the PSN. The network access device, which may be an access switch, a wireless LAN controller, or a VPN concentrator, would have been configured with the necessary radius AAA configurations that will reference the PSN as the radius server. When a host connects to an 802.1x enforced switch port, or SSID, each transaction will be initiated between the host and the network access device, after which the network access device will also initiate radius transaction with the PSN. If authentication of the host is successful, the PSN will send an access accept message to the network access device, which will also send an HIP success message to the authenticated host. Then the network access device will grant network access to the host. Note that the access can be full network access or limited network access, depending on the applied policy. The monitoring node will ensure to keep the accounting record of all the transactions for monitoring, troubleshooting, and reporting purpose.